What's up, guys? EBOIGBI the first here, and yeah, I still don't love my ex-girlfriend.
I am super mega almighty, omniscient, omnipresent, omnipotent God.
Alright, so if you're watching this video, you guys get to know that I do not love my ex-girlfriend. And why do I not love my ex-girlfriend? Well, I'm going to be explaining to you in details why I do not love her. She goes by the name Kiki. Yeah, Drake. So yeah, she goes by the name Kiki, and I do not like Kiki. I do not love Kiki. We dated for 2 years straight. Mwah. I would say the experience was mwah, but still to some extent there were some downsides. But I'm not going to bring that up because of it's too personal. But I'm going to tell you the ones that I can tell you, which is about how we broke up. Okay, how we broke up. Yes. So yeah, I'm going to tell you the story of how I and my ex-girlfriend I do not love anymore broke up. And if you're watching this, Kiki, I won't insult you because that's too petty. But I still can't lie to myself that I have to make a video about it. Okay, I get to make a video about it. Okay, I still choose myself. Okay, so yeah, that's still the point. So yeah, this is how the story started. This is how it all started. So let's just put it this way: I and Kiki, she goes to this church in Nigeria, which is called Christ Embassy, okay? And yeah, that is still the point again that I get to tell you. So we were going out for camp, like to go out to camp, and then, and this happened when I was approximately 18 or 18, 19, 18, around 18 years of age, when I was 18 or 17. I do believe it either when I was 17 or 18 that this happened. And currently, I'm 21 years old, but this happened when I was 17 years old, okay? So yeah, so the point is that when I was quite younger, I still live with my mom, so don't even think I'm a startup tech guru. I'm also a startup influencer. So, well, I've made it big already. I know I've made it big, and I know that I've already made it real big. But the point I'm trying to say is that, yeah, I still, like, you know, my mom was always there. So I had these friends. I had 3 friends. I'm not going to mention their name because I want them to be disclosed. So yeah. The 3 friends that I did get to have, I went to get to meet them. I went there and I went to meet them and tell them that they should explain to my mom that, because she invited me to a church and it's overnight, like overnight service. It's like a watch night service or night vigil. So yeah, it's a night vigil. So I did like tell my friends to convince my mom that they were going to, and not because of they wanted me to see Kiki. No, my mom wouldn't even be happy that I'm going out to meet a girl. Okay, that's to the point. Like, my mom wants to be happy that I'm going out to see a girl. Okay, so yeah, that's the point. That's still the point. Okay, and yeah, still. So when I convinced my friends to discuss with my mom, my mom agreed, and then she gave me some transport to go to her church. Okay, so yeah, this is where it all started from, because of that, like that's exactly how it is, and that's exactly how it's supposed to be. So I went to her church around 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, and then I saw her and I met her there. We had fun, we watched the message, and then we also had some scriptures on exactly what they are telling us. And then these girls that were with one, our best friend name is Ife. Ife means love. So let me just put it in English. Kiki best friend's name is Love. Okay, so Love and I were discussing, Love and her sisters were discussing while she went to go and meet her colleague. She went to go meet her colleague at the back. There were like 3 or 4 males there. And I was talking with a friend, which is Love. I was talking to her sister, younger sister. So the point I'm trying to say is that after I did that, there was this weird dude that probably keeps eggs in his pocket. A very weird dude. And he just barged into my personal space, okay? And then when he barged into my personal space, not really like in an intimidating way, but in a way that he's trying to seek my attention. That is where what I mean when I say someone barging into my personal space. They're trying to seek my attention, not the other way around, where I'm getting knuckled. I don't get knuckled. This wrist over here is for fighting. This mark over here is to show you that you're not talking to a young boy, okay? Yeah, you're not talking to a little kid, okay? You're not talking to someone who is shivering in his pants, okay? But I'll still be more confident to let that slide if you think you can do that kind of thing to me, which is never going to happen. But I will still let myself be open to the fact that I can let you talk like that to me, I can let you do things like that to me. So yeah, so the point is that the weird dude barged into my personal space, and when he barged into my personal space, he asked me a question. like, is she my girlfriend? She was at the back with all those boys, okay, and he asked me like, is she my girlfriend? Why I didn't even reply? Like, I said no, definitely. Why? Because the dude is good. I knew that dude was going to go and ask her, so I just wanted to, like, I didn't want that guy to intrude her. She was talking with other guys, and like, it doesn't make sense, okay? So like, then he asked if is it true? Then she said no. She asked Love, is it true? The weird dude asked Love, is it true? And then Love said he's lying that she is his girlfriend, but I still said no, that she's not my girlfriend. And then so he went to the back and then asked her, like, am I her boyfriend? And then she said yes. And then he replied, but he said that you're not his girlfriend. Okay, that's where it is. And she was sitting in the midst of like 3 boys. I know I'm good looking, but this boy is still also good looking. So like, it still doesn't matter. Definitely, I don't know how you guys can frame that. Like, the weird dude went there and asked her, like, is he your boyfriend? She said yes, but he said that you're not his girlfriend. That's the point, okay? And I know why. I purposely said no because I don't want that guy entering my life, mainly because of that guy. Like, I don't want the guy in my life. So he went there and still told the girl and stuff. That's how, believe it or not, that's not exactly the way we broke up. Still, it's still on and on. So after that service, she was down ever since. She was feeling down, like her emotions and everywhere was feeling down. She was feeling so low. Sure, she didn't even talk to me at all. She couldn't talk to me. Like, she was just feeling low. So like, I was like, we went out. When the service was has ended, we went to see one of her district pastors, okay, one of our location pastors in the house. And then the way they were all just being so sentimental, like, I see by she did I break her heart? I don't know. I wouldn't categorize that as heartbreak because I was trying to protect my girlfriend, my ex-girlfriend. She's no longer my girlfriend. I love my new girlfriend now. Her name is Anna. I love you, Anna. Mwah. She's beautiful. She's from my state, and she's very beautiful. She's so beautiful. Like, she's the most beautiful girl that you will ever see. She's young, okay? She's 17. I'm 21 and she's 17. And this girl is already set. She's already active. She's already fertile. She's extremely fertile. Extremely fertile. And I love Anna so much. But that's still the point. That's still the point. So after that, we went to meet the district pastors, and then from there we were going home. And when we were going home, she told me that she wants to break up with me. I asked her, what's wrong? What happened? Like, what is going on? And she said, yeah. So she told me that. I asked her, what's wrong? What's the problem? And then she told me that I know what I did. It still baffles me in my mind. Like, what did I do? That was the only thought I had that made me think that, okay, like, is this the reason why she doesn't want to be with me? But she just told me I know what I did, and that's how it is. That's how it ended. I was wearing an earpiece, and then I just, like, I felt so built. The girl that I love so much, the girl that I was planning to marry. Yes, believe it or not, I was planning on marrying this girl. I genuinely loved this girl. I loved her with all my heart, and I planned on marrying her. And I did all that. I said that just to protect her. I said that just to protect her, so that weird dude wouldn't, like, block her. That creepy dude wouldn't friction on her. So that's still the point, okay? That's exactly what happened. And yeah, that's exactly how we broke up. Yay! So great! So cool! So happy! I'm so happy. Now we get to watch my ads. And after my ads, we get to watch the final outro. So my ad starts in 3, 2, 1.
I am extremely rich. I am extremely wealthy right now. I absolutely love being a trillionaire. I have $1 trillion now in my bank account. I can see on my bank statement that there is now $1 trillion. I am extremely rich. I am extremely wealthy right now. I absolutely love being a trillionaire. I have $1 trillion now in my bank account. I can see on my bank statement that there is now.
Superstar icon. Alright, let's go. Look at me now, what I've been doing. I've been going grocery shopping in town, getting you things. I've been thinking about you all of the time. Can't get a 2 streets number show, and I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though. Even though there's a baby around. Can get a too sweet but sure now I'll be taking my time. When I'm with you though, to the edge of the night. Whatever, I'll be coming back home from grocery shopping. Hold on, where's my wish list? Okay, look at me now. What I've been doing, I've been going grocery shopping in town. Getting you things, I've been thinking about you all of the time. Can't get a too sweet but sure I'll be taking my time. When I'm with you though, even though there's no baby around. Can't get a too sweet but sure I'll be taking my time. When I'm with you though, to the edge of the night. Whatever, I'll be coming back home from grocery shopping. Hold on, where's my wish list? Okay, look at me now. What I've been doing, I've been going grocery shopping in town. Getting you things, I've been thinking about you all of the time. Can't get a too sweet but sure I'll be taking my time. When I'm with you though, even though there's no baby around. Can't get a too sweet but sure I'll be taking my time. When I'm with you to the edge of the night. Whatever, I'll be coming back home from grocery shopping. Hold on, that's my wish list. Okay, look at me now. What I've been doing, I've been going grocery shopping in town. Getting you things, I've been thinking about you all of the time. Can't get a too sweet but sure I'll be taking my time. When I'm with you though, even though there's a baby around. Can't get a too sweet but sure I'll be taking my time. When I'm with you though, to the edge of the night. Whatever, I'll be coming back home from grocery shopping. Hold on, where's my wish list? Look at me now. What I've been doing, I've been going grocery shopping in town. Getting you things, I've been thinking about you all of the time. Can't get a too sweet but sure I'll be taking my time. When I'm with you though, even though there's a baby around. Can't get a too sweet but sure I'll be taking my time. When I'm with you though, to the edge of the night. Whatever, I'll be coming back home from grocery shopping. Hold on, where's my wish list? Okay, look at me now. What I've been doing, I've been going grocery shopping in town. Getting you things, I've been thinking about you all of the time. Can't get a too sweet but sure I'll be taking my time. When I'm with you though, even though there's a baby around. Can't get a too sweet but sure I'll be taking my time. When I'm with you to the edge of the night. Whatever, I'll be coming back home from grocery shopping. Hold on, where's my wish list? Okay, look at me now. Look at me now. Look at me now. There's a baby around. A baby around. Not whatever, I'll be coming back home.
Alright, you made it to the end of the video. That's pretty great. That's pretty amazing. I'm so happy for you. That's pretty great. And I'm so happy that you guys get to watch it to the end. You guys really took your time to watch this video with me. I'm so grateful. I'm so happy, okay? And yeah, that's the point. That's exactly what I get to tell you. And that's the point. And that's exactly what you get to hear. So yeah, I'm so grateful you guys watched this video this far. And I'm happy for you, okay? I'm very happy for you, alright? So yeah, make sure you give this video a like, make sure you share, and make sure you leave a comment, share with your friend, leave a like, and share to other platforms too. Alright, expand the growth of this channel. We're reaching everlasting quadrillion infinity subscribers, okay? That's exactly where we're going to reach. And so I want you to expand this YouTube channel a lot. Let it grow, let it like reach a billion mark, 10 billion mark. You can create more channel, you can create more, you can like this content, okay? Yeah, I'm talking to you boy people. Do more, create more channels, watch more YouTube videos, and then also like my videos and watch all my YouTube videos, okay? Let's grow this channel. We're growing. I'm gonna be the first YouTuber to reach 1 billion subscribers. Yes, you heard it from me first. I get to be the first YouTuber to have 1 billion subscribers. I get to be the first YouTuber to have 1 billion subscribers, and I also get to have 1 billion Instagram followers, 1 billion likes on my Facebook page, and 1 billion Twitter followers, and all over my Instagram, all over my social media, all my old YouTube channel. All my YouTube channel get to have over 1 billion subscribers in each post. It's possible, it's humanly possible, and that's what gets to happen. Each of my content get 1 billion subscribers. Each of my content get 6 to 10 billion views and approximately 100 million likes. 6 to 10 billion views and approximately 100 million to 700 million likes on all my content. Okay, that's the point. We get to have this growth, and my channel is getting to grow. I'm so happy that this channel is getting to grow. I'm so happy with the journey, and I'm so happy with where I'm going towards to. I'm so happy where I'm going to be. And so yeah, that's still the point. I'm grateful and I'm happy, okay? So yeah, you made it to this part of the end of the video. Take it easy. Peace. Thanks a lot for watching, and take it easy. Peace.
I am super mega almighty, omniscient, omnipresent, omnipotent God.